Hindi ka nila pinagkakaisahan dahil masama kang tao. Pinagkakaisahan ka nila dahil mas nagniningning ka kaysa sa kanila.
Make the coffee first, remember?
Oh, Rapunzel!
So, Mother, tomorrow's my birthday. 18 years old. Crazy, right? And what I really want for this birthday is actually really well.
Rapunzel, you know how much I feel about the money, blah, 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 blah. It's very annoying. I'm just teasing. I love you so much.
I want to go see the floating lights.
What?
Oh, I was hoping you take me.
You want to go outside? Oh, Rapunzel! Look at you. It's fragile. It's a flower. Still a little sapling. Just a sprout. You know why we stay up in this tower? That's right. To keep you safe and sound here. Yes, I always do mistakes, kind. Good sweet wants to leave the nest. Soon, but not yet. But trust me, pets. Mother knows best. Mother knows best. Listen to your mother. It's a scary world out there. Mother knows best. One way or another, something will go wrong, I swear. Ruffians, thugs, poison ivy, quicksand, cannibals and snakes, the plague, oh yes, also large floods, men with pointed sticks and stuff. No boy, you just upset me. Mother's right here. Mother would protect me. All I have is all I have is request. All I have is one request. Skip the drama, stay with Mama. Mother knows best.
But Mother, it's been 18 years and I've never once set foot outside.
And that's exactly my point. Mother knows best. Take it from your mumsy. On your own, you won't survive. Sloppy, underdressed, immature, clumsy, please. They'll eat you up alive. Gullible, naive, positively graphic. Ditzy and a bit, well, vague. Plus, I believe, getting kind of shoved. I'm just saying, 'cause I love you. Mother understands. Mother's here to help. All I have is one request. Rapunzel, don't ever ask to leave this tower again.
But Mother!
You're not leaving this tower ever! Don't forget it. You regret it. Mother knows best.
Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe.
Love yourself. Truly love yourself. No matter what your past looks like, no matter the mistakes you've made, no matter the guilt you still carry, you deserve love from yourself. Because self-love is the beginning of everything. When you love yourself, you become stronger. You think clearer. You stop begging for validation. You start walking with confidence because you finally understand your own value.